Hi guys, Tech James here. So you guys might know on your PlayStation Vita or PS TV, if you press the PS button, it will bring up this menu, and there's actually several advertisements down at the bottom here. So if we were to click on any of them, it basically just brings us to the game or whatever it's promoting on the PlayStation Store. So as you can see, once I've tapped it, it brings out Resident Evil, and it actually would let me buy the game. Now I think this feature is kind of pointless. It's basically just Sony advertising stuff on your console. So there is actually a plugin you can get that will swap these out for your homebrew apps. So it swaps them out for Adrenaline, the free shop, which is PKGJ, and I believe it also puts Vita Shell on there, but I'm not too sure. So if you guys want to get this, it's called the QuickLaunch Installer. Go ahead, open up Vita Shell, and you will need to connect your PS Vita to your PC. So I'm just going to press select, go and do that now, and I will show you guys what to do next.
Right guys, so I leave the GitHub page to the QuickLaunch Installer in the description of this video, and you guys just want to scroll down and you want to get the VPK, which is right here. So just click on it and it will begin downloading. So once it has finished downloading, just go to your PC's downloads folder and find it in there, and it's very simple. All we need to do is just drag and drop it across to the root of our PS Vita. So that is literally it for the PC. We can now go back onto our PS Vita, install it, and I will show you guys what to do next.
So once we're back and we have the VPK file, let's go onto our UXO, let's scroll all the way down, find the VPK, press X, X again, and then X one more time, and it should start installing. Okay, so once it's finished installing, let's just close out of this. Let's go and find the VPK on our home screen. So here is the bubble, the QuickLaunch Installer. Let's just tap on it and then just go ahead and start it up. So these are the three items it's going to replace it with: Vita Shell, Adrenaline, and the free shop. So basically what we can do is we can actually just press X to install the default QL data. Press X and then we'll say install, press X to restart. But I'm just going to run it again real quick. So just start that up. And now once that is done, what we can do is actually just tap the PlayStation button, and there you go, Vita Shell, Adrenaline, and PKGJ. So what we can actually do is just tap on either one, and it will actually just start it up like that. Obviously Adrenaline still has that kind of like glitch on mine, I haven't fixed it yet. So let's just try and start that up again, and there you go, it works just like normal. And then of course you can do it to the other apps as well, just like Vita Shell, you can start that up. So yeah, it's a pretty cool application, I quite like it. It's just something else to add, and it just removes, you know, Sony's advertisements on your device. So if you tap back into the app, if you decide you want Sony's advertisements back, you go down to clear all QL data and you press X, and then it will restart again. You can also create some custom ones if you do install user data. Now if you press X on the install user QL data, this is where you would enter in your custom ones. So as you can see, mine is set to Vita Shell, the PSP-MU, which is Adrenaline, and then the PKGJ I or J, whatever you want it set as. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and if you're done in this, you can just exit to the live area. So that is pretty much it for this video. I quite like this program, really simple, but it's a pretty cool thing, and you know, it just removes Sony's advertisements from your device. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.